سلام سلام كم ياللهم أب كله كرنعات علم زلهم مساهم زلهم بره تسفاء أب محبراو ميديا ننوح عمتات نت يفلخو زنت فلو عودي أرستي أب قانقا تيغرينيا إنجليش أب مزرقاحيو نبعلين دا تمهاركو نبزحات سباتنا أشحات سبات يمهرن زخا حدا عبي نجري إلى حسب تيك عندي عودي متكل أرستي أب مسلاتات تقصتات بهيلات وستأذى تركبت زرباتات حصرت زانتاتات أو زتكوريو زي مسلاتات تقصتات بهيلات وستأذى تركبت زرباتات حصرت زانتاتات نجراتن حساباتن ناي ملع علم زتقالليو ناي هوبات سبات ناي فلوطات سبات ناي تمارامرتي ناي فلاسفاتات ناي صحافتي ناي درستي ناي وزت ناي كله اب كله زركبيو برها زي صحافو يلن زي ترأي امبر مصيخم رأيون سمعون نبل علنا سرناي مجمار كغبرلنا خا تمنيتي يغلص. Let's get started. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Basic Tigrinya English grammar have and has. مسرتاوي سواسو تيغرينيا انجليش علني علوو كالانزبل كنرينا سناي مكتال كخونلكم نخلكم يعدمكم حراي نغي نغصل positive sentence اونتاوي ملو حسابات I have انا علني you have نسخا علكا نسخي علكي ون كنبل نخلينا يو نسخا نسخي سلازغونا he has نسو علوو she has نسا علووا it has اتي علوو اتيا علووا we have نحنا علنا they have نساتهم علووم they have نساتن علوون أب قانقا English they حديو أبنا هناغنا ننبينيو they have انتلنا نساتهم علووم they have انتلنا نساتن علوون. negative sentence علوتاوي ملو حسابات I don't have أنا يبلين you don't have نسخة يبلكان you don't have نسخي يبلكن وانكن بالنخلينا عبتا قدامي تزلا I do not have أنا يبلين بنوح كنبل كلنا كوم وخنبل نخلينا he doesn't have نسو يبلون she doesn't have نسا يبلان it doesn't have اتي يبلون حجي أبزات ريواز لكم doesn't بزلا it does not have نمبالي we don't have نحنا يبلان they don't have نساتهم يبلومن they don't have نساتن يبلنن. questions حطوتات مسرت زخونة حطوتات كنرينا كما يجيركا حطو ختحات تتجمر do I have علني ديو أنا علني ديو do you have نسخة علكا ديو وانكن بالخلينا does he have نسو علوو ديو does she have نسا علوو ديو does it have اتي علوو ديو do we have نحنا علنا ديو do they have ንሳቶም ኣለዎም ድዩ do they have ንሳተን ኣለወን ድዩ እዚ ክብለልኩም ፀናሕኹ ከመይ ጌርካ ሕቶ ትጅምር የኽሪአኩም ፀኒሐ ሕጂ ከዓ ሙሉእ ሕቶ ከመይ ጌርካ ተሓትት ክንሪና ተኸታተሉ ኢኹም ሕቶታት questions do I have a book መጽሐፍ ኣለኒ ድዩ do you have a pen ብርዒ ኣለካ ድዩ does he have a phone ንሱ ሞባይል ኣለዎ ድዩ does she have a computer ንሳ ኮምፒውተር ኣለዋ ድዩ does it have a battery ባተሪ ኣለዋ ድዩ do we have time for lunch ንምሳሕ ዝኸውን ጊዜ ኣለና ድዩ do they have a car ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና ንሳቶም መኪና ኣለዎም ድዩ do they have water ንሳተን ማይ ኣለወን ድዩ questions and answers ሕቶታትን መልስታትን ምስ ሙሉእ መልሲ do I have a book yes I have a book no I don't have a book do you have a pen yes I have a pen no I don't have a pen yes I do እውን ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና does he have a phone yes he has a phone no he doesn't have a phone does she have a computer yes she has a computer no she doesn't have a computer does it have a battery yes it has a battery no it doesn't have a battery do we have time for lunch yes we have time for lunch no we don't have time for lunch number 7 do they have a car yes they have a car no they don't have a car do they have water yes they have water no they don't have water short answers ሓፂር መልሲ yes I do no I don't yes I do no I don't yes he does no he doesn't yes she does no she doesn't yes it does no it doesn't yes we do no we don't yes they do no they don't ኣብዚ ሕጂ ገለ ሙሉእ ሓሳባት ክንሪና ሕጂ እውን ተኸታተሉ ኢኹም I have a lot of homework to do ብዙሕ እየ ዝስራሕ ኣለኒ you have a nice house ጽቡቕ ቤት ኣለካ we have a big family ዓብ ስድራ ቤት ኣለና I have to read a book መጽሓፍ ከንብብ ኣለኒ he has a new job ንሱ ሓድሽ ስራሕ ኣለዎ she has a beautiful voice ንሳ ጽቡቕ ድምፂ ኣለዋ she has a lot of friends ንሳ ብዙሓት መሓዙት ኣለዋ I have time to relax this afternoon ሎሚ ምሸት ናይ ምዝንጋዕ ጊዜ ኣለኒ you have a great idea ብሉጽ ሓሳባት ኣለካ they have a plan for the weekend ንሳቶም ንቀዳመ ሰንበት መደብ ኣለዎም ንሳተን ንቀዳመ ሰንበት መደብ ኣለዎን ውን ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና You have a wonderful smile ማራኺ ዝኾነ ፍሽኽታ ኣለኪ I don't have any money I don't have any money ዝኾነ ገንዘብ የብለይን You don't have any homework today You don't have any homework today ሎሚ ዝኾነ ዕዮ ቤት የብልኩምን ሎሚ ዝኾነ ዕዮ ገዛ የብልኩምን They don't have any free time They don't have any free time ንሳቶም ዝኾነ ነፃ ጊዜ የብሎምን You don't have enough time You don't have enough time እኹል ጊዜ የብልኩምን እኹል ጊዜ የብልካን እኹል ጊዜ የብልክን ክንብል ንኽእል We don't have enough information We don't have enough information እኹል ዝኾነ ሓበሬታ የብልናን I have to wake up early ንግሆ ክትንስእ ኣለኒ I have to ask ክሓትት ኣለኒ I have to call my friend ንዓርከይ ክድውለሉ ኣለኒ I have to go ክኸይድ ኣለኒ I have to finish my work ስራሐይ ክውዶ ኣለኒ I have to sleep ክድቅስ ኣለኒ I have to do my homework ዕዮ ቤተይ ክሰርሖ ኣለኒ I have to learn new words ሓደሽቲ ቃላት ክመሃር ኣለኒ I have to start now ሕጂ ክጅምር ኣለኒ Let's learn together let's grow together Thank you very much for watching ስለዚ ተገዲስኩም ትከታተሉኒ ይቀኒለይ ክብረት ይሃበለይ